Hi guys, if you're looking into this Roborock S5V here, I'm going to save you a lot of time and give you 3 reasons why I think this is a smart buy. Number 1, this thing is built for serious cleaning performance. It has 12,000 PA suction, is one of the strongest robot vacuums in its class, capable of pulling dirt, pet hair, and debris out of the carpets and hardwood floor easily. Now, on top of that, the FlexiArm edge mopping extending out to each corner and edges, that's what most robot cannot do. And you're getting a more complete cleaning system, not just the middle of the room. I just love that FlexiArm edge mopping is one of my favorite feature. I just love watching it. And you know, even though it's at 10-15% in the corner, really saves you a lot of time from just going back and cleaning it. It's really a game changer. If you have the funds for it and the ability to get this one, I really like it for the FlexiArm technology. Number 2, the true hands-free system. This thing is the biggest advantage here. All in one dock, this isn't just a vacuum, it's a full system. It can auto empty the dust, wash and dry the mop pads with warm air, refill the water automatically. That means you're not consistently maintaining it. It just basically runs itself for weeks at a time, which is a huge upgrade over your standard robot vacuums. Number 3, this thing is built for real homes, especially with the pet hair and smart avoidance. It features a dual anti-tangle system, so if you have pets or long hair, it won't consistently clog or need cleaning. Add in a smart obstacle avoidance, and it navigates around furniture, cords, and everyday objects without getting stuck, making it much more reliable for real-world use. Now, the bottom line, the Qrevo S5V here is a power automation with minimal maintenance. Replaces vacuuming, mopping, and cleanup all in one system. If you want something that feels closer to a fully automated cleaning system versus just a robot vacuum, this is one of the smartest buys in this category. Want to do that quick review? Hope that helps you and enjoy your new robotic vacuum. It's very quiet. It's not as loud as the other vacuum. It's doing a great job around the edges.
That hope that you helps enjoy.